Maestro, wanna go for a walk? Wanna go for a walk? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Hey, all, Mike with the Hart family. We are going through the McDonald's drive-thru, grabbing some iced coffee. Yes, iced coffee, because it's 70 degrees here. We're heading down to Cypress Point Park. We're gonna take Maestro for a walk. And at Cypress Point Park, we call it the plane beach because it's right by the Tampa International Airport, and the planes fly right over it, so it's pretty fun. Hi, so yeah, depending upon, I guess, the winds, the planes are either gonna be landing right over the beach or taking off, and I just saw one coming down, so it looks like they're probably gonna be taking off right over this beach. What's nice about Cypress Point Park is it is, for now anyway, it's still free. You don't have to pay to go there or park there. And it's usually not crowded. There's a little playground there. Maya, what happened to you? Did you find chocolate on the way here?
Yeah.
Did you get any in your mouth? Well, you can't nap there. Look, here comes another one. See it? Here it comes. Oh, sorry, baby. This is a nice little private area. Look! Look at all the good shells here. They're all over right here. Wow. Oh, there's a broken beer bottle. That's not good.
Broken beer bottle?
Yep. You get a good one? Let me see it. Cool. Those are pretty. Can you put it behind your ear? Do you need help? Right over your head. There's those two military jets, Annie, see them? They're gonna come out right there. Where they are, there they are. Oh, there's those jets. There's another one. There's another one, jeez. They're so loud. Whoa! You gonna light out some fireworks tonight, B, at midnight?
Yeah.
Some firecrackers?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How about you? You gonna set off some bang snaps midnight?
Yeah.
We're on the other side of the airport now. We're at Pin Chasers on Hillsborough Avenue. And you can park right here and you can see the planes taking off and they come in right over you too. So if they're not going over the beach, then they're coming over here. So there goes one Here it comes. We're gonna get right under it. Here it comes. Whoa! You covered your ears?
Yeah, with the airplane.
Whoa! Whoa, that sun's right everywhere. What'd you think? Was that pretty cool? I didn't want to get right underneath it, but that was pretty fun. All right, Maya, your plane's coming. You ready? You ready for this? It's up there. Here it comes. There it goes. See you later. Babe, you said you wanted to see it. Aw. Here it comes, Maya. There it goes. Whoa! It's landing. There it goes. It's touching down. What'd you think? Was that scary?
Yeah.
Aw, not too bad, just a little loud. It's pretty neat though, right? Was it neat?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's one taking off. Should we go see it? All right, we'll leave. Maestro, I'm gonna carry you out there next, okay? And they're both out. They're resting up for New Year's. Big party tonight, right? Grilling, chilling, drinking some beers. Grilling, chilling, drinking some beers. That's right, guys, closing out the new year on the grill. Grilling up some steaks, asparagus, red peppers. Girls are passed out. Are you booing my crappy song? Anyhow, gonna be a quiet one for us. Yeah, not like the days of old, so I'll probably be the only one up at ball drop. In fact, I'm sure I'll be the only one up at ball drop. Grilling, chilling, drinking some beer. Catchy, right? Not really. Look, even comes with a dog hair. Nice. Happy New Year's, guys. Hope 2017 was good to you and 2018 will be even better. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.